Just add a guava leaf to the shampoo, and the result is incredible. Your hair will grow on your forehead. And for that, we're going to need a clear shampoo that is anti-residue. What are we going to do here? We're going to add a tablespoon of cloves. Cloves are great for your hair and will help you a lot by strengthening the hair shaft, stimulating collagen and keratin production, as well as making the strands more resistant and protected against aggressions. Guys, cloves are excellent. Now we need rosemary. Rosemary is also a powerful ally for our hair. We will add a tablespoon. If you want, you can add 2. Rosemary will help stimulate blood flow to the scalp and thus promote hair growth and strengthening. Now we need the garlic. Garlic is very important in this tip. Apart from everything else, it has an anti-inflammatory effect. It is excellent for stopping hair breakage and inflammation of the scalp. Now we need castor oil. And castor oil is excellent for this tip and, above all, for your hair. It nourishes and moisturizes our hair and is recommended for all hair types, especially dry hair. After adding the oil, let's add the guava leaf, which is famous for making hair grow even on the forehead. If you know people who want to grow their hair to their forehead or who suffer from hair loss or breakage, tag them here so they can watch this video. I'm sure they will thank you. Here we are going to use 3 guava leaves. That's right, you can find guava leaves anywhere, and they will help you tremendously. If you don't know, guava leaf tea is excellent. It helps fight hair loss and strengthens hair by stimulating hair growth. It also helps to moisturize and add shine to the hair by controlling oiliness. Once we've put everything in, shake it up and mix it all together. And what are you going to do? You're going to let it sit overnight and then use it. Once we can use it, you'll notice that the color changes. Tell me what city you're watching this video from. That way I'll know how far this video will go. This shampoo is simple. Look, I'm going to wash my hair. Look, people, it's wonderful. Aside from everything else, it will leave your hair super clean and it will remove all the oil from your hair, leaving it clean all the time. Your scalp will breathe and you will have big, strong, shiny hair. Guys, this is a wonderful tip, and thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Big kisses and God bless you.